The 2023 Lucid Air Grand Touring is a testament to the advancements in electric vehicle technology, representing the pinnacle of Lucid's lineup. As the most premium trim of Lucid's inaugural electric luxury sedan, the Air, it surpasses the Touring and Pure models. One of its most notable features is its impressive EPA-estimated range of 516 miles on a single charge, positioning it amongst the top-tier electric vehicles in terms of distance capabilities. Under the hood, the Grand Touring is a powerhouse. It's equipped with a dual-motor all-wheel drive drivetrain that churns out a staggering 1,050 horsepower. This allows it to sprint from a standstill to 60 miles per hour in a mere 2.6 seconds, earning it a spot among the world's fastest sedans. The electric motors ensure that the acceleration is not only swift, but also seamlessly smooth, providing drivers with a thrilling yet refined driving experience. Lucid's dedication to performance is matched by its commitment to efficiency. The aerodynamic design of the Air boasts a drag coefficient of a mere 0.21. This, combined with the regenerative braking system, plays a significant role in the vehicle's exceptional range. The car's design not only aids in performance but also exudes elegance and modernity. Being the creme de la creme of Lucid's offerings, the Grand Touring is laden with a plethora of features, from 19-inch Aerosport wheels and a panoramic glass roof to a 34-speaker surreal sound system and the advanced DreamDrive Pro ADAS system. It leaves no stone unturned in offering the best to its customers. The seats, both front and rear, come with heating options, with the front ones also boasting 21-way power adjustments and cooling features. Modern conveniences like wireless phone charging and multi-zone climate control further enhance the driving experience. Charging the Grand Touring is a swift affair. It supports rapid charging speeds up to 300 kilowatts on DC fast chargers, allowing owners to replenish up to 300 miles of range in just 20 minutes. For those preferring level 2 charging, the onboard AC charger can handle up to 19.2 kilowatts. Lucid commenced the production of the Air Grand Touring towards the end of 2021, with the 2023 model marking increased availability, thanks to the ramped-up production at their Arizona facility. The car comes with a starting price tag of $179,000, exclusive of any potential tax credits or incentives. Stepping inside the Grand Touring, one is immediately greeted by a fusion of technology and luxury. Dominating the dashboard is Lucid's 34-inch curved glass cockpit display, which serves as both the instrument panel and the infotainment system. With a sharp 5K resolution, it promises a visual treat for its occupants. The interior space is not just about tech, it's also about comfort. The rear seats in particular offer ample legroom, even surpassing luxury benchmarks like the Mercedes S-Class. The materials used echo the car's luxurious positioning, with a design philosophy that leans towards minimalism while ensuring an open and spacious feel. As Lucid positions itself against stalwarts from Germany, the Grand Touring is their bold claim that a new American startup can indeed be at the forefront of the EV revolution. For those in the market for a top-tier electric sedan, the Lucid Air Grand Touring emerges as an enticing proposition, reflecting the rapid evolution and promise of the electric vehicle segment. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.